today's video, I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to be updating you on my newest technique on applying my wing liner and my lashes. And I know some of you have already thrown in the towel when it comes to either wing liner or lashes or possibly both, and you know what? I think I figured out why. Because you too have been suffering from bad beauty lighting. This video is also in collaboration with Fancii.com. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and offered me an opportunity to try out some of their new beauty tools, and I jumped at the opportunity once I checked out their website because they honestly have some amazing stuff, and best of all, they actually work. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I apply my wing and my lashes because I just said bye-bye to bad beauty lighting with my Mila Compact. And you know what? At the end of this video, you will too. Exciting, right? So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First, let's get into the details of this beautiful Mila Compact. It offers dimmable LED lights that mimic natural daylight and provides you with a color-corrected view of your skin. Dual magnification lets you choose between a detailed view or full view of your reflection. Eco-friendly power is designed with a rechargeable battery to reduce waste and save power. The Smart Sensory allows for automatic on-off when the mirror is open or closed. And at just under 4 inches wide, the Mila Compact is small enough to go with you in your purse or in your bag for easy access. Now let's get into constructing our lash look. I've already pulled my lashes off the packaging, and now I'm just going to prep them with lash adhesive. Make sure that you've already fit the lashes to your lash line. Next, I'm going to grab a lash primer. This is going to aid in preventing breakage of my lashes in the event that lash adhesive gets on them, because how many times have we not had our Mila Compact? And that is the thing. But look at how this lash primer really amplifies every lash. So my girls that don't want to move forward with placing on a falsie, this might be the step where you can stop after you apply tons of mascara. And yes, I'm not even afraid to go in with a big lash wand because I have my Mila Compact and I can actually see exactly where to apply that mascara. I mean, come on. Are our dreams answered or what? We're saying bye-bye to bad beauty lighting. Now, I've already coated my lashes with lash primer. I've applied tons of mascara and I'm ready to take the next step. And honestly, I did not even speed this part of the video up because you should literally be able to apply a lash that quickly. Because why? You can see where that lash band is going to go. I mean, girls, I'm giving you guys all the tricks of the trade today. You have to be able to see the eye to apply a false lash. I mean, and watch how close I get it to the lash line. I mean, let's just zoom in, shall we? Okay, now our confidence has grown. We're going to now move to the dreaded liquid liner. Don't be afraid. This is the time for you to rock it out. Take tiny brush strokes. No one literally does a liner with one stroke. I mean, it is unheard of, especially when that skin decides to kind of move with the pressure of applying a liquid liner. Tiny brush strokes, super tiny, and then you can actually adjust your wing. Tiny does it, super tiny does it. All I really want the liquid liner to do is camouflage the lash band, but honestly I got it on so seamless I could have really stopped, but I'm just showing off now. I am showing off because I have this amazing Mila Compact with the LED light that is dimmable, so I can actually flip it for a detailed view, remember, or I can get a full view. And sometimes you just need to bag up, pull back in close, but I want to do it all at one time. And the Mila Compact, the way it's positioned, it gives me wowness. I mean, you guys, I just gave you all of the tools that you should need to create this look. Now you can go head over to www.fancii.com, pick up your own Mila Compact, use code KIANI10 at checkout, and you know what? Just go ahead and thank me later, okay? Because we're friends here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.